Shadows resting by the sunrise. Cold mountain air fills the yard. Tall signal poles line the grade. Hands unload grain all day. Hot coffee waits by the scale. A diesel hum rolls away. Long rails over the plain. Bright steel under the sky. One engine rounds the bend. White echoes drift through the blue. Brown crates rest by the ramp. Hand stack sacks in a row. Soft wind moves through the pines. Clear light falls on the track. Late afternoon warms the hills. Far cabins glow by the river. White clouds sail through the blue. One hawk glides slow away. Red markers by the line. Gold sunlight on the wheels. One whistle stays through the dusk. Warm colors fade in the glow. Old radio in firelight. Warm light hangs on the pines. Neon glows by the drive. Room keys shine on the wall. Hot coffee waits by the phone. A long freight rolls away. Red neon on the road. Blue shadows by the sign. One car fades past the hill. Soft colors drift in the blue. White curtains move in the breeze. Late headlights sweep the lane. Cool air flows through the screen. Ice cubes ring in a glass. Past midnight fills the lot. one star stays through the night. Warm colors fade in the glow. Folded charts by the counter, late dusk rests on the square. Two lamps glow near the bookcase. Hands sort maps through the day. Hot tea warms by the till. A bus sighs slow away. Street lights shine on the rain. Wet stones gleam by the lane. One cab turns past the sign. Red beams drift through the night. Blue-eyed laces line the wall. Hands mark roots in a row. Cool air moves through the shop. Thin rain taps on the glass. Night falls over the town. Far roofs fade by the river. White clouds clear from the moon. One kite slips far away. Old signs glow through the mist. Dark streets win by the square. One lamp stays past midnight. Warm halos fade in the glow.
Tall saws by the doorway. Pale dawn rests on the pine. Two carts wait by the roadway. Hands trim boards in line. Warm steam rises and flows. A work bell rings far away. Soft light falls on the floor. Long rays stretch to the door. One truck rolls down the road. Dust drifts slow in the glow. White planks lean by the wall. Hands mark sizes below. Fresh wood dries near the rail. Cool air moves through the pine. A clock turns into noon. Sunlight stays by the window. Thin clouds cross through the blue. One hawk glides far away. Soft light falls on the floor. Long rays stretch to the door. One truck rolls down the road. Dust drifts slow in the glow.